Hi everyone, my name is Nick Hegge. I'm a Senior Technical Program Manager here at Xbox. I couldn't be more thrilled to be here today to introduce and to demo the new Onboarding Hub experience and how to use it to sign up for ID at Xbox. Over the past few years, we have received great feedback and insights from our valued partners as they've completed their own onboarding journey with Xbox. Everything from navigating the various pages, educational materials available, learning about the different programs, and what are the different steps to become a partner. This feedback has been critical for us as we continuously look at ways to improve and streamline that experience for our partners. In this talk, we will cover 3 key areas: our new landing page on Xbox.com, what is the new Onboarding Hub, and how it can actually help us streamline our experience when signing up for ID at Xbox. In August of this last year, we launched the new landing page experience on Xbox.com. The goal of this new landing page was to consolidate the various programs into a central source of information about the programs available and how to get started. You can now quickly and effortlessly toggle between the programs to learn more about them and quickly get started when signing up. With that, let's sign in and check out the Onboarding Hub. The Onboarding Hub provides you with an authenticated experience to allow a curated status of your onboarding journey. You can log into the Onboarding Hub with either an MSA or your corporate AAD credentials. Once in the Hub, you can see the account that you're logged in with, as well as the program options available for you to sign up for. Today, we are going to sign up for ID at Xbox. The ID at Xbox program is our self-publishing game creator program for developers of all sizes. Being a part of ID at Xbox means that you are a trusted Xbox partner. You'll have access to the same tools that are available to the largest AAA game publishers to ship your game on any of our platforms, as well as a dedicated ID developer support team for resource onboarding and technical questions. So let's select ID at Xbox to begin our onboarding journey. Now that we've selected ID at Xbox, you can see all the steps in the onboarding journey. The Onboarding Hub provides transparency and status of your onboarding process to ensure that you know where you're at and what steps are ahead to complete your journey. You'll notice some key tips and callouts on the right hand of the hub. This is to help provide you with the right information at the right time to ensure a streamlined onboarding experience. Let's get started with our contact details and studio information. One pro tip when completing your studio information is to ensure your legally registered business name is full and complete. This includes any and all punctuation or suffixes, as this is important to ensure that you're set up correctly and not cause any delay or additional steps. Now, once we've completed the introduction that consists of contact details and studio information, we're ready to unlock the next step by submitting our introduction. The hub will then double check everything is in order to unlock the next step, which is the NDA. You will be kept in the loop, both in the hub with a percentage complete in the upper right of the hub, as well as via email. Your NDA will be sent to the email that you're logged in with, so check that inbox and review the NDA to unlock the next step. Now that we have successfully completed the NDA, we have unlocked the game information form. This form provides the ID at Xbox portfolio team with all the details of your game and the things that you want the team to know or see. A pro tip in this section is to provide a really good vertical slice, where we can play the demo, if available, a game site or a studio site, a Kickstarter page, etc. The more information, the better. With the game information form complete, you are ready to submit it to the portfolio team for review. The team works really hard and reviews these usually within about 15 business days after submitting. If approved for the program, you will be notified both in the hub as well as email, as you will then receive some additional contracts to review to complete your onboarding hub journey. Now that we've completed all the steps to sign up for ID at Xbox, you will be greeted with the welcome page. This will provide you with a 5x5 token to create your Partner Center account, which is the dashboard for all of your publishing needs, as well as you will find links to very important resources in the upper right-hand side of the welcome screen to make sure that you have the things that you need to be successful in bringing your game to our platform. To close, the Onboarding Hub is a central place for your onboarding journey that provides you with a clear process when signing up for the various programs and what steps, requirements are needed along the way. Additionally, I hope that the pro tips provided in this talk help set you up for success when signing up for ID at Xbox when you're ready. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my talk on application to approval, joining ID at Xbox in less than 30 days with the new Onboarding Hub. Head over to xbox.com/ID to learn more and get started.